Hello guys, there have 14 power 20 and in denominator we have 28 power 10. So how to solve this? So let's start. We know that first of all we will write here 14 power 20 and 28 power 10, and we know that a into b power m is equal to a's power m into b's power m. So I will write here this property 14 power 20, and this is nothing but 2 into 14 and whole of the power is 10. Now I can write here this property I will use there 2 power 10 into 14 power 10. Now we know that I can write here 14 power 20 and 14 power 10 into 1 by 2 power 10, and we know that this is nothing but a power m and a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Now I will write here using this property in this section. So let's start. 14 power 20 minus 10 into 1 upon 2 power 10. Now this is nothing but 14 power 10, and this is also in upon 2 power 10. So we will write here, I can write here this is nothing but a power m upon b power m. I can use this property again. This property there have a, but there have a and there have b. So this is right a upon b whole of the power m. So there have this is also 14 upon 2 and whole of the power is 10. Now this is cancel out. What we remain 7 power 10, and we know that this is 10 times. Right here 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the value of this question. थैंक यू गाइज. अगर आप न्यू मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, लाइक एंड कमेंट ऑल्सो.